Say it one more time.
Pupusería.
Pupusería.
El toquecito.
Tococillo.
Salvadoreño.
Salvadoreño.
Yeah.
How's it going, everybody? It's Christian L here with Eat Like in Apex. This afternoon, I'm in Hayward, California, and I'm checking out a street food spot called Pupusería. El Tococito. Salvadoreño. She knows how to say it. They sell pupusas here, specializing in that, so I'm excited to feature them. And they're just so welcoming, and the food looks fantastic. So if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hope you find time to subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate that. You'll find more food related content on here. And with that, I'm gonna show you everything in this video right now. Make it.
One en revuelta.
One revuelta.
Okay. One en queso con loroco.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, y one en queso con jalapeño.
Jalapeño and the chicharrón. Chicharrón. These are fresh masa. Got masa.
This is everything.
Kenny's. Hello, Kenny's.
Hello.
And then her name is
Jancy.
Jancy. Hello, Jancy.
Repollo en salsa de tomate.
Ah, sit, huh? Okay. Ooh. Alright guys, we're at Pupusería. I'm just gonna say it like that. It's hard to pronounce everything, but again, this is a spot that sells pupusas. You've seen it here, you've seen how she prepared it. It looks amazing, smells amazing. Let's get right into it. Big thanks to the staff here. Oh gosh, I forgot they told me their name twice and I totally forgot. That's just me, I sometimes draw a blank. But big thanks to you guys. Here we go. I got the revuelta. I know I have the chicharrón, jalapeno, and also the zucchini, which is the calabaza con queso. And I think each one of them has cheese, but we're gonna get into this right now because it just looks fantastic. Also comes with these packages of like pickled cabbages, jalapeno, and carrots, okay? And these typically come with a pupusa. If you ever had pupusa before, that's what it comes with. And also this packet of salsa. All right. let's do this. First things first, maybe let's open up one of these here. I think this is the, I don't know, we're just gonna dig right in, just slice that up. You can kind of see some of that interior right now. Oh, that is hot. Woo! But that's a good thing. This looks like jalapeno con queso. Maybe I'll go just as is first without any of the condiments. First bite at Pupuseria. Bite. Oh. Woo! That's hot, but that's so good. That's a jalapeno with cheese, con queso. And that is cheesy, melted cheese, crispy masa that is just like off of the grill immediately, the way you want to have it. Oh, that is delicious. A little bit of the cheese has been like crispified to give it that nice little cheese curd taste. That is very yummy. Let's continue. Open this up now. Okay. Just like right right on top. And then I do want to add the salsa, so I mean there's no, yeah, maybe just a little hole. Oh yeah, that works. Ooh. Oh, that squirted on the table. Come on, Christian, don't mess up this. Okay, here we go. That's the way. Oh, okay. Oh, that is still cheesy hot, man. Wow. Oh, that's got some heat to it for sure. Oh, it's just hot. I can't pick it up. It's too hot. I use a fork. Like scalding hot. Bite. Some little cabbages filled out. Oh yeah. That cheesiness, coupled with the cabbage and the hot sauce. It's not very spicy, but really does kind of give it some more flavor. But the pickled cabbage, that's why you must add them with the pupusas. They're so good. Great combination. Let's keep going. Let's go with this right here. I don't know what this is, but as always, I'll give you a nice little interior look before we get into it. Oh, I see like some beans. This might be the revuelta, which was that chicharron, cheese and beans mix. I'm gonna go ahead and do that salsa pour. Oh, another splatter, but that's a good ratio right there. I like that amount of salsa. I'm gonna add some of that cabbage on top. Bite. Oh, you definitely taste that bean and cheese for sure. That is fantastic. There's a little bit of chicharron mixed in it too, but really all about that pupusa container, that fresh masa, how she pounded and like wrapped it. The expertise of a pupusa maker. Yeah, and it's right here. Pupuseria, Hayward. All right, let's keep going. Okay, I think this might be the chicharron. I mean, it's just been molded in there. And there's cheese too, obviously the cheese inside of here. Immediately add that salsa. Just like that. Oh yeah, that salsa's coming out now. Continue that ratio of pickled cabbage, pickled veggies on top. And let's add a jalapeno on this one. That looks like an excellent bite right there. Bite. Wow, super good, man. I mean, the best way I could describe it is whatever item you decide to put in the pupusa, that crispy, soft, moist masa is king or queen. One last one to check out. Oh, what is this? Is this the jalapeno and cheese? This might be the jalapeno and cheese. Yeah, that's better. Okay, immediately add the cabbage. Maybe in the beginning I had the revuelta. I'm getting pretty confused. Let's take a bite before the confusion starts to make me panic. All right, bite. Oh, wow. Oh, so good. The theme continues. That container, the tortilla, the pupusa. That is so good, man. One of them is the calabaza de zucchini. Oh, maybe that's a zucchini one. So there's a zucchini and cheese and a jalapeno and cheese. So just see the description below. We'll sort that out. But no matter what, yeah, that's cheesy, gooey, yummy, and delicious. All right, just gonna wrap things up here. This is Pupuseria in Hayward, California. Street food spot off of Santa Clara and A Street. Check them out. If you see this video, let them know you saw it here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Greatly appreciate that. And as always, enjoy that bite life. Later.